Hi guys! This video is going to cover flame tests and precipitation reactions, and we'll end with a summary.
The compounds of certain metals will burn with characteristic colours, and this is why flame tests can be really useful in order to identify particular metal positive ions or cations. Flame tests are really simple to carry out. A small sample of the substance is placed into the flame of a Bunsen burner, and the colour of the flame will change from pale blue to the distinctive colour for the metal ion. There are a few examples and characteristic colours that you'll just need to remember for your exam. The lithium ion, Li+, which burns with a crimson flame. The sodium ion, Na+, which burns with a yellow flame. The potassium ion, K+, which burns with a lilac flame, which is also the lilac flame that you'll see in a reaction between potassium and water. Calcium ions, Ca2+, will burn with an orange-red flame. And finally, copper ions, Cu2+, will burn with a distinctive green flame. If the substance that you're testing contains more than one metal ion, the flame colour may be masked or mixed. So therefore, flame tests only work for samples that contain a single metal ion. But in these cases can be a very simple and conclusive test. Another set of useful tests is based on precipitation reactions. These are possible due to the fact that many metal hydroxides are insoluble and will therefore precipitate out of a solution when they are formed. Precipitate just means that they will form a solid and come out of the solution. A key exception to the rule that metal hydroxides are insoluble are the group 1 hydroxides. For example, NaOH or KOH, which are both soluble. The insoluble metal hydroxides form precipitates with characteristic colours. This diagram just shows the formation of a precipitate, which is floating on top of a solution. In order to form the insoluble metal hydroxides, a few drops of sodium hydroxide, NaOH, is added to the solution of the substance that is being tested. In this table, we can see an example of some of the commonly found metal ions, as well as the colour of the precipitate formed on addition of sodium hydroxide. All of the metal ions listed on the left-hand side of the table are positively charged, or cations. And the notation used just has the charge on the ion in brackets. For example, calcium with 2 written in brackets can also just be written as Ca2+. An iron with 3 in brackets can just be written as Fe3+. The first thing to notice is that the insoluble metal hydroxides of calcium 2+, aluminium 3+, and magnesium 2+ are all white.
Hi guys! To continue watching this video and unlock hundreds of other super concise and exam board specific GCSE chemistry and combined science videos, just click on the Snap Revise smiley face. Join me today and together let's make Chemistry at GCSE a walk in the park.